Margie, I see all kinds of things that I'm excited about, but I'm hoping you're going to tell me what they are.
Well, you know, today it's a little dreary, it's a little cool outside, so I thought it would be perfect day for a bowl of soup.
Ooh, okay.
So we are going to make Caldo Verde. So I'm going to start out, I've got some olive oil here, which they probably have in Portugal.
Yeah.
Put that, I've got my pan already heated up, and I'm going to start sauteing this sausage.
Oh, yeah.
Now I have 12 ounces of this Portuguese type sausage. And oh, that's sizzling up nicely.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Good and warm.
Collard greens are nice, and when you get them in cold weather, they typically taste better. They're a little bit sweeter. The warm weather makes them bitter.
Oh, okay.
So really the winter time is, the cold season time is really a good time to get them.
Oh, yeah.
So I have one chopped onion, that kind of a small chop. I'll toss in there. I have a tablespoon of garlic.
Ooh, love the garlic.
Yes. Would you like a little heat in yours?
I like a little heat.
Well, this is optional, but I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a quarter teaspoon, which is not a large amount. I'm going to grind up some pepper in here too.
Okay.
Maybe a teaspoon or so. Just keep on grinding.
I like
so you're
grind.
doing the chiffonade there.
I'm trying to do the chiffonade, but I saw my pieces were a little chunky, so I'm trying to make it a little more bite-sized.
At this point, I'm going to add some chicken broth to this. So I've got 4 cups. I've got the low sodium chicken broth.
Okay.
And the reason I get that is because the regular chicken broth has got a lot of sodium, right?
Oh, really?
It really does. So,
because you know, why go for the extra sodium? I mean, might as well. You're going to add salt and stuff yourself, so.
Well, we can taste it.
You can taste it.
You don't always have to add salt. I know many people that do, though.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Taste it first.
They've got to add the salt.
Well, and you can't take the salt out, so you really do need to taste it and see what's going on.
I've got 4 cups of water too, so it's not just pure chicken broth. I probably will need to add a little salt, but like you said, we can always add it.
You can always add, you can't take away.
So I have got Yukon Gold potatoes. See how gold they are?
They are gold, and I like them because you can cook them pretty much with a peel on them, just about.
Well, for this recipe does say to peel them, but
you peeled them.
I peeled them, but you don't have to. These potatoes have been cooking for 10 minutes, so they're a little bit tender. I like my soup thick. I like the broth to be a little thick. What about you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I've just got the potatoes in the broth here. I'm going to put some of this in my blender, right? And to just puree that up a little bit, and that's going to add some thickness to that broth. And so I've got about 2 cups of potatoes that I'm going to blend. So this is it's a really, you can always do that with soups instead of using flour or cornstarch or something like that. You can always puree some of the potato or even some of the vegetables.
Yeah.
And that will act as a thickener for you. Oh, that's very hot.
That's very hot.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put my greens in here.
Okay.
I went ahead and cooked the greens in some of the broth in another pan just to speed up the process. Then the last thing we're going to put in here is a little bit of white wine vinegar.
Oh, okay.
Just as a flavoring. As usual, you get to be the guinea pig.
I get to be the tester.
The tester.
And see if there's a salt deficiency, but I don't think so.
Well, the sausage has quite a bit of salt too.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking we're pretty good.
Make sure that the greens are done and well enough.
Actually, it's got a little spice to it because of the sausage. It's got a little kick.
Also, we put the red pepper flakes in there.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah. So I don't think it needs anything. I think it's good.
All right, even with that low sodium broth.
Definitely. Yeah.
That's awesome. So does it have a good contrast of flavors?
Oh yeah, yeah, and it's going to fill you up and get you warm inside.
And we could just have a little warm bread with this, and that would be enough for our meal, right?
Oh yeah.
It's a one-dish meal.
That's it. Well, thank you.
Well, you're welcome, and thank you all for joining us, and I hope you try the recipe.